John. I hope you're doing well. I wanted to talk to you about the project we're working on. The deadline is approaching, and we need to speed up our work to ensure we meet it successfully.
Yes, I'm aware of the deadline, and I'm committed to getting the project done on time. What do you suggest we do to speed things up?
I'm glad to hear that, John. First, let's assess the current progress. Are there any particular tasks or areas that are causing delays or bottlenecks?
Well, I've noticed that we're spending a lot of time in meetings discussing minor details. Perhaps, we can reduce the frequency and duration of these meetings to free up more time for actual work.
That's a valid point, John. Let's make a rule to have only essential meetings and keep them concise. Also, let's identify tasks that can be delegated to others, so you can focus on the critical aspects of the project.
That sounds like a plan. I'll review the tasks and see which ones I can delegate to other team members. Additionally, I believe we can benefit from using some project management tools to streamline our workflows and keep track of progress more efficiently.
Great idea, John. Utilizing project management tools can definitely boost our productivity. Please research and recommend a suitable tool, and we'll get it implemented right away.
I'll do that immediately. Another aspect we can address is overtime. If needed, I'm willing to put in extra hours to meet the deadline.
I appreciate your dedication, John, but let's be mindful of employee well-being. Instead of relying solely on overtime, let's see if we can optimize our current work processes first. If we still need to consider overtime later, we'll handle it in a way that's fair and doesn't lead to burnout.
Understood, boss. We can also consider collaborating more closely with the other departments involved in the project. Timely input and coordination between teams could help us avoid delays caused by miscommunication.
Absolutely right, John. Let's schedule regular sync-ups with the other departments involved to keep everyone on the same page. This way, we can quickly address any challenges that arise and keep the project moving smoothly.
Sounds like a solid plan, boss. I'll start implementing these changes immediately, and I'm confident we can speed up our work and meet the deadline successfully.
I believe in your capabilities, John. Keep me updated on the progress, and if you encounter any roadblocks, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Together, we'll get this done on time.
Thank you, boss. Your support means a lot. I'll give my best efforts, and I'm optimistic about our team's ability to meet the deadline successfully.
That's the spirit, John. Let's go ahead and make it happen. If there's anything you need from me or any additional resources required, just let me know. We're in this together.
Will do, boss. I'm excited to work on this challenge and deliver results. Let's get to work and make it happen.